Welcome to the Creator Space Intro to Installing Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve. So to begin, you'll need to go to blackmagicdesign.com, the website, and it will automatically send you over to the Canadian site. And you'll see the little Canadian flag /.ca. Then what you need to do is go under products. So you just see it here on the top. If I go right here to products, and then what you need to do is choose the DaVinci Resolve Fusion thing right here. So this square right here, that is going to have the software that we need to find. So we're going to click on that. And from here, you get this whole thing on DaVinci Resolve. So what you want to do then, we're not interested in any hardware. We want to just get right to the free software. So DaVinci Resolve 16 is the current version. We're going to click on Learn More, and here is a whole info page on DaVinci Resolve, so you can scroll through that, learn a lot about all the elements and aspects of how the software works. And if you go all the way to the bottom here, we will find the download page right here. So lots of information, color grading, sound, how it can integrate to different hardware. So the expansion is really unlimited. And here's what we want to find. So here's the DaVinci Resolve software. We'll see right here. So you can see right here it says software and DaVinci Resolve 16 free. And we want to click download now. And from here you just have to decide what operating system you're using. So if you're using Mac OS, you will click on that. If you're using Windows, you will click on Windows. And if you're using Linux, you can also have that as well, like a Ubuntu. But for our demonstration purposes, I'm on Mac OS, so I will click that. Then what it's going to do is ask for some information. So you just fill out, name, last name, and so on. And this is how they can give you something free, is they just want to find out who you are and what country and state and city and so on. So once you've filled everything out, so it needs your name, email, phone, country, and city with province. And then what you want to do is we're just going to go over here to register and download, right? So that button right down here, register and download, we're going to click on that. And here we go. It's going to say thanks, and it will automatically download to your downloads folder. And it's going to be a zip file. So once that finishes downloading, we're going to click on it, and Mac OS will unzip it, and then we can prepare to install it. So now that it's downloaded, I'm just going to click right here on this arrow, and I'm going to go to Show in Finder, and this is going to show me the zip file. So you will see that it's 1.55 gigabytes in size, so that can take a little bit of time to download. It took about a minute here. It can take you maybe 10 minutes, but just have patience. It is downloading, and then the zip is going to unzip, uncompress, and make it itself a bit bigger. So let's double click on that, and you'll see it's expanding through the archive utility. And now what we'll end up getting is something called a .dmg, and that is the installation program file that Mac uses. So then from there, I double click on that. It's going to open the installation process up. You can see it's loading. And once that finishes loading, then I'm ready to install. So you can see it's checking volumes. It's going to open it up. And here we go. And now we're going to get this nice screen here. It comes with a manual. It comes with an uninstall. It comes with an install, right? So, and then you get a nice little graphic. So what we'll do then is double click on Install Resolve. Double click on that. It's going to give you an introduction. I'm going to hit continue. There's all the about, what's new, continue, the license information, and you have to agree. Okay, and then it's going to say it takes 3.01 gigabytes of space on your computer, and it's going to install on the Macintosh HD. If you have a preferred folder where you want all your applications to go to, you can choose that at this time as well. And I will hit install. And then you just have to put in your password. So it will just write the files and continue through with the installation. Then you'll get this nice green check mark. So that means that everything has installed properly. Green check mark, software was installed successfully. And then from here, I can just hit close, and it will actually ask me, do I want to move the DaVinci Resolve folder to trash, and that will clean everything up. So I can say move to trash, and then I'm done. So then from there, you're ready to start using DaVinci Resolve. And to get to that, you'll find an icon in your Launchpad. So I'm just going to go over there to click on the rocket ship Launchpad, and then just scroll through the software, and you'll find this nice big DaVinci Resolve logo. So click on that, and it will launch the program. There you go. So now that you've successfully installed Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve software, you can go to tbmcs.ca, which is our YouTube channel, and you can check out some of the tutorials and workshops on how to use DaVinci Resolve, or you can sign up for some live webinars or other online learning. Take care.